Today you will learn continuous tenses. There are three types of tenses: past, present and future tenses. In the previous video you must have seen simple tenses. Today you will learn continuous tenses: past continuous, present continuous and future continuous. So here for past continuous, was or verb plus V1 plus ing. You must be wondering what is V1. V1 is verb's first form, that is the base form of verb. I have already uploaded the video. I'll put the link in the description box. And also your present continuous is, am, are plus V1 plus ing. Suppose eat plus ing, play plus ing, like that. In future continuous, will be plus V1 plus ing. Past continuous tenses. Past continuous tenses is used to talk about actions that were happening at a certain time in the past in continuous motion. I was reading a book at 8 pm. So here was is helping verb, whereas reading is main verb. So we will count was reading. So don't just identify reading as a verb. Was reading will be verb for past continuous tenses. This tells you that is already happened in the past. Next is they were playing football yesterday. So your word, that is helping verb for past, and playing, that is in continuous. So past continuous tenses is was reading and were playing. Next is present continuous tenses. Present continuous tenses is used to talk about actions that are happening right now around the current time. First is I am studying English. So your am and studying both are verb. Am being helping verb, studying being main verb. So this tells that is currently happening in continuous motion. Next is she is cooking dinner. Is and cooking. So is cooking tells you that it is currently happening in continuous motion. So it is present continuous tense. Next is future continuous tense. Future continuous tense is used to talk about actions that will be happening at a specific time in future. That means in continuous motion. First is I will be studying. So here will be is helping verb, whereas studying is the main verb. So will be studying tells you that activity that will happen in future in continuous motion. Next is they will be traveling next week. So will be and traveling, they both are verbs. So this tells you that it is future continuous tense. So remember, don't just identify helping verb separate or main verb. It is all together. Will be studying and will be traveling. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Sujata Teaches. Thank you.